Got a HayBuster 2574, maybe. Yes, 2574 HayBuster. It's not been inventoried. Looks like our stock number is a FT3254. That would be FT3254 if you search that on our website. If we have anything inventoried, it'll be there, and we may pick at it a little at a time. But the main reason for the video today was just to get a little bit of get a messaging out here that we've got some parts for this. If you're a current customer, you know that we sell large items, stuff that's going to save you significant time and money. We don't sell a lot of small items. The stuff you can get from your dealer. Look, we're not going to sell you this light kit, right? I'm not going to sell you 2 tires or 2 wheels. So major pieces, something happens, you have an accident, you rip something off, you need an entire valve stack, not just, you know, the fitting out of it. That's the stuff that we're good at. It's the stuff that we have always done. So because this is a new item, we're putting it out without any part numbers. We can't get the parts catalog for it. We're going to try to advertise it a different way, which is going to obviously get new customer calls, which is fine as long as everybody can understand how we sell and what we sell the way we do. So, HayBuster 2574. It's not inventoried under any part number. Our stock number for it is a FT, it's Frank Tom 3254. If you need a major part, when I say major, think of it in dollars, $2,500 plus. Give us a call, tell us what it is you need. You're gonna know more about this machine than we do, I promise you. And if it makes sense the way we looked at it, you know, we don't want to sell a shaft out of a gearbox. We want to sell the whole gearbox. Something that helps you get going faster. So if we can help you with some HayBuster parts, first look it up online. And if you don't find anything there, you're welcome to email, text, or call. Just try to have a little, you know, when you call, try to help us. Help us help you. Thanks for watching.